Okay, what do you do, Shikha?
Okay, so basically I'm a primary teacher and it's been 3 years I'm teaching here.
So you're a private tutor.
No, primary teacher.
Primary teacher. Okay, okay. And it's been 3 years. So why now? Why not before? Why sudden urge to learn English?
Okay. No, before, I didn't get too much time for this because it is also need much time and do practice and also study for, and I was indulged with some other study. So that I had to do. And when I got some free time, so I thought I should continue. And this was also my dream to speak English fluently. So I just started it.
You just started it. Okay. Okay. So one thing that I would like to tell you is that can you imitate? Do you have the knack of imitation?
Um, no, lack of imitation.
Okay. If you have a little bit of knack of imitation, it really helps you. For example, I'll tell you. Okay. Have you seen Barack Obama giving speeches? Have you seen Michelle Obama giving speeches?
Uh,
Have you?
yes,
So
yes.
the words that they use, I actually use them in my real life. I'm not kidding. Okay. I pick and choose words from their speeches because they are so inspiring. They are so warm. And even when they are directing you to do something, they are not bossing you around. So that sensitivity in their speeches is something that I try to inspire myself with. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you have certain I don't know, role models. I don't want to use this word. If you have certain people that you really look up to, it becomes, the journey becomes a little easy because then you don't have to study
Yes.
on,
Yeah.
yes,
Yeah, I got it. I got
yes,
it.
yeah.
So,
Okay. So, yeah. So that is one source that you can use to kind of exploit your English knowledge. Okay. Yeah.
hello. Oh, sorry
Yeah.
for this. Someone just yeah.
Someone is coming to take some help from you.
Yeah, no, I just sorted.
Okay, you solved it. Okay, are you in the school premises?
Yeah, right now.
Oh, look at that. Of course, they are going to irritate you. And you're a primary school teacher. My goodness, they must be climbing on you
sometime, yeah.
sometimes. Okay. So, any problems, questions, issues, doubts, concerns so far?
So yeah, my issue like there was something that I had idea that how to write and read everything, but speaking there I was stucking some time. So I started this. So my question is like, how can I boost my speaking?
You need to speak relentlessly, like without stopping. Okay. And you have to let English do the magic on you. In life, language learning is a lifelong process. It's changing, it's dynamic. Even today, English is not fixed. All the informal words have been formalized. All right. And they are there in the dictionary. It's not that they have been ignored. For example, words like thirst, for example, words like woke. All right. So the thing is, you have to bring them into your dictionary and then make a use of it. And you cannot be in a hurry, first of all. You cannot. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. And
Yeah,
also a little bit of imitation, a little bit of inspiration helps along the way.
yeah. Inspiration, yeah, I had. That is why I started it. But imitation, sometime I do and sometime I don't do. So I should.
What do you
I
do
think
for
I should.
English? What do you do to learn English as a language?
I just watch the some short stories, not movies, because it is very long and I have to take the time. So not as movies, just short stories, which is the 15 minutes and sometimes 30 minutes maybe. And I also do writing sometime. So
Nice.
that
What do you write?
there is a diary which I write weekly.
Journaling. That's called journaling. That's called journaling. Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep journaling, actually, okay? Do not stop. Journaling is so therapeutic, okay? And penning down your thoughts is something that gives a breath to your soul. So do not stop journaling, okay? Okay. So Shikha, are you wearing mekla sadar right now? What are you wearing? Is that mekla sadar?
Sorry.
Is that a mekla? It's a Assami dress. Mekla sadar is an Assami dress. Are you wearing mekla sadar?
No,
Okay.
this is just a stole that I have.
Fashioned it in that way. Okay, just Google Mekla Sadar after this. All right,
Okay,
Mekla,
okay.
yeah, Mekla Chadar. Do it Chadar. They call it
Okay.
make. Yeah, because they do not have a ch in their vocabulary, they say it sir. So chammach becomes somos. All right.
Okay.
Yes, and Mekla Chadar becomes Mekla Sadar. All right. So I thought that you're wearing a Mekla Sadar. Okay.
No,
And they wear it in a very different way. Like they wear it, like they wrap their saris like towels. They do not, I don't think so. They have plates. I don't think so. They plait
I
their
just
sari.
wrapped it. Yeah, I also just wrapped it. So maybe it is looking like that.
It is little looking. It's giving an impression. I could be completely wrong that, that, okay, anyway.